Ever met someone whose handshake felt like a bear trap? Or maybe one so limp it felt like shaking hands with a dead fish. Yeah, you remember? But did you know that what you do with your hands in those first few seconds can decide whether you gain the upper hand or lose it completely? Here is Sam. It's his first day at a new PR firm. He's tall, sharp, dressed for success. And he's got a killer handshake, literally. Adam gives firm handshakes, just like his dad taught. But here's the twist. He's so firm, he drew blood from 2 of his female co-workers' fingers. The guys never brought it up. The women avoided him. And here's the kicker. Half the bosses were women. Here is the thing. Hands have shaped history, literally. From making tools, to making deals, to making oaths in court. And whether you realize it or not, your hands are constantly speaking for you. There are more nerve connections between your and brain than any other body parts. That's why how you shake hands, those first 5 to 7 pumps, can signal dominance, submission, or trust. A submissive dog shows its throat. Humans, we show our palms. Our palm facing up is a gesture of openness. I'm no threat. A palm facing down shows that a person is trying to control or dominate. A vertical palm handshake means equality. These micro movements can reveal truth, deceit, dominance, or submission, all in a single gesture. In the next videos, you will learn how to master simple palm gestures and handshake techniques, which will make you appear more confident, honest, and even influence how others respond to you, whether in conversations, sales, or leadership moments. Subscribe to support us.